Hello. We are the Ohio State University team for the 2018 NASA University Student Design Challenge, made up of 6 members from a wide base of science and engineering studies. As NASA moves toward long-term missions and more distant destinations, the need for in-situ utilization of planetary resources is always increasing. The mission of our project is to support long-term Mars habitats with fuel, oxygen supplies, structural material, and even plant growth substrate. The Mars atmosphere is rich with fine dust or regolith containing different metals, oxides, and toxic perchlorates. We designed the Mars atmospheric regolith collection and utilization system, MARCUS, like a filter-feeding sponge. MARCUS is designed to harness the natural power of Mars dust storms to efficiently collect regolith particles from the atmosphere using an electrostatic precipitator that can gather dust from any direction. This allows MARCUS to collect large quantities of dust with little energy use. MARCUS's processing system is designed to use a bioreduction and ion exchange process to extract toxic perchlorates from the regolith. These perchlorates can be used to produce emergency oxygen supplies as well as fuel. The ultrafine purified atmospheric regolith can be used for 3D printing processes and for use as plant growth substrate for food production. The team has benefited greatly from the resources available to us through The Ohio State University. We were able to use machining and high-voltage lab spaces to build and test a scaled prototype of MARCUS's electrostatic precipitation unit. This prototype has promise for full-scale concepts. Someday, MARCUS could support our astronauts as they travel to Mars and beyond.